Hello there, YouTubers. This is a 1981 triple chime Howard Miller grandfather clock. So I'm going to be showing you 3 chimes in 3 hours. So the first chime we're going to start off is Westminster chime. And right off of that, and I have a flashlight right here, of course. And I'll show you how it works. I'm going to be flashing the light in there, YouTubers. So that's what we're going to be doing. So each hour I have to watch the time. And I'm going to flash the light while the hammers are moving. But I'm not going to, like, switch from one side to another, YouTubers. I'm going to actually watch the time so I won't be late for the second hour or third hour. Alright, the door's open anyway. So YouTubers, actually I wonder if I could switch hands, maybe not. Actually, no. So YouTubers, I have to watch the time before. So in any luck, it should go off. Let me take a look for a moment. Maybe if I switched hands, maybe that would actually not be good. The little crank down there. So actually, I'm going to use the flashlight. Hold on, let me take a look. I think it should go off. So in any luck, it should go off. So guys, that's the 10 o'clock p.m. clock strike and the Westminster chime. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to take out any panels. And YouTubers, I'm going to let you know that I probably deleted my old videos. So guys, I think this clock didn't have maintenance like in 30 years. It needs maintenance. And guys, you might know that this clock is pretty old. It was over there before, but not anymore. And guys, I want to show you something for a moment. Hold on, wait here. If I show you that, I think, hold on guys, I think if I show you, is that, here's a fun fact, YouTubers, that these 4 striking hammers, they stick together. I want to tell you why. It's because each rod, if you listen, they all have the same tone. And on the left side has the exact same sound, like, so it can make one big sound. And that's how all clocks work. See how it makes one big sound, as you can see. And on the right side, it's individual, because each hammer and rod actually has a different sound and different tone, as you know. That's how clocks work. See, that's the wheel, and that also works along with the hammers, and it works with that movement over on the area right there. So guys, stay tuned for another chime coming up, YouTubers. Bye bye, YouTubers. So I hope you enjoy the video of Westminster chime. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike, and of course, peace out. Stay tuned for the next chime.